Day 2 of battery optimization. I have to get on board and get the boat ready for Steve to come in and continue working, and I will show you what he did yesterday. But first I have to plug the reboot back in because I always unplug her now whenever there are thunderstorms, and it's summer in Florida, which means we have a lot of thunderstorms now. So we are running in safe mode with just the one starter battery right now because my batteries are out of that spot, because all the batteries are going in this spot. And another thing that we're doing is we're going to put a piece of epoxy marine plywood to reinforce that floor, because when you stand on it, it actually bounces a little. So when we have 8 of those sitting on there, that's asking a lot of that wood. So we're going to reinforce it today, and we're going to epoxy it, reinforce it. Then all of those 4 batteries are going in, and the 4 batteries on the other side are going in. And then this is all getting tidied up, and there's going to be a big old bus bar right there, and I will show you that progress as it happens. We are hoping to get this done by the weekend because we have friends coming to sail with us. And you know, when you have a sailboat, you never promise that there is going to be sailing, because you never know what's going to happen with the weather, or in our case, with the boat. But here's the other side, and here's the other side opened up because a lot of the wiring for these batteries, which are going to move over next door, are going away. And then as soon as Steve gets here, we will check in with him, and he will be able to give us more information about the progress.